how to delete invite message on Instagram in this video. I'm going to show you how to delete a message invite that was sent within the Instagram app on your iPhone or Android phone. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So, as you can see here within this chat that I started, it says invite sent. Now, if I go to try to delete the message, you can see that I only get delete for you. I have no way to unsend this invite within the app. So if I want to delete this invite, what I need to do is open up a browser and navigate to instagram.com and then select login. So go ahead and log into your account. Once you get to instagram.com, select the messages icon in the bottom menu. Then navigate to the message where you sent the invite. Now, if I select the message, I sent in the invite, and then the three dots next to it, you can see it says unsend. Select unsend. Confirm you want to unsend this invite on Instagram, and then it will bring you back to your messages. And as you can see, that invite is no longer there because I have deleted it. If this video helped, you give it a thumbs up. And please consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.